Welcome to another Junior Golf Series video. Today we're back at Ellerslie, but we've made it onto the driving range. It is the school holidays, which means it's nice and busy and there's lots of juniors around. So why not bring your junior down and give it a go? The first thing when we get to the driving range is probably teach them the grip. So we want to keep it really simple. A really good way to teach juniors is pretend they've got a bucket of sand, or a bucket of range balls in my case. When they pick it up, get them to pick it up, you'll see that they actually grip it through their fingers. They don't grip it through their palms. When they grip it through the fingers, we tell them that's exactly how you want to hold the golf club. So through the fingers and then loop over. And same thing, we're going to go through the fingers, loop over. At this stage, we're not too worried about what they're doing over overlap or interlock. If you can get them to do that, even better, but just get them hands together, get them nice and a good amount of control. In terms of ball position, we're sort of expanding from the chip shots that we've done previously. We'll keep the ball in the middle of the stance, getting them to keep their knees bent, pop it on a tee. It's really good at Ellerslie or our Takapuna or lower hut ranges where you've got the automatic tee system, so it can go up and down just to control the tee height. So let's put it not on the highest setting, but pretty high. Let's give them the best chance of being able to hit the golf ball in the air. So ball in the middle, we're gonna go knees bent, halfway back, halfway through is the best way to get started. If they are enjoying that and starting to get some results, you can gradually move on to a full swing. The most important thing I'd say when teaching a full swing for a junior is get them to go to the position one, which is what they've just been doing. Then we're just going to get them up, see if they can keep their left arm straight. That's all we're going to focus on. Don't worry about too much what they're doing up here. We just don't want them to get too close in. So nice straight arm, keep it wide and keep their knees bent. If they are doing quite well with that, then the best thing you can do is put them onto the top tracer system. So over here, there's some great modes for adults as well, but the best one for kids can keep them occupied for a very long time. You go through quite a few golf balls doing this too, is the Go Fish mode. So if we press Go Fish, then we'll press Start Game. What it does is really encourage them to get the ball up in the air, which is our goal at the end of the day anyway, to get them some distance. So if we just skip the instructions, it does give you really nice instructions there. When they hit the ball high enough, it will actually, I'll show you, I'll hit a shot. So if we just do what we're going to teach them, halfway back, halfway through, bit of height there, hopefully it picks up, here we go. So it'll give them a fish, so I just got a whale here, but they can collect the whole fish bowl. So that's a really good way of keeping them engaged and making it really fun. So there you go, that's a really good couple of activities that you can do with your junior at the driving range, teaching them the grip, using the automatic tee system, getting them to experience the top tracer fish game is a really good way to make it fun. So thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and also check out our awesome content over here. We'll see you soon.